is custom themes in Discord is not applying in certain parts of the application, for example on the left sidebar, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So first of all, you need to open this Discord application in your system and log in with your ID and password. After that, you need to scroll down and click on this user settings, scroll down and look for the appearances option, and just tap on this. In app settings, you just need to click on appearances. So from here you can see these are the themes colors. You can select light, or you can select dark, or you can sync with your computer. So I try to do this. This is the free of cost, you do not need to pay anything for this. You select all these three options and see which one is working for you. Otherwise you can preview the theme from here after doing this, or you can see these are the colors. You can check it from here. You can go for Nitro from here. You can change it from here, and you can see themes are getting changed now. And after that, you need to click on unlock with Nitro, and you need to buy a plan for monthly or yearly, and you can just need to select it and make a payment, and your theme will get changed from here. And if you want for free of cost, I have given you the option for free of cost as well. So I hope friends, now you will be able to resolve this issue, and in case you face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like, subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.